In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive Monday.com. Sometimes you archive a board thinking you're done with it, and then a week or a month later, you realize you actually still need that information. The good news is that Monday.com makes it pretty simple to bring those archived boards back. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few things to keep in mind so you don't lose track of important work. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the right level of permissions. Usually, you'll need to be an admin or have access to administration settings to follow these steps. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or initials. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Administration. This is where Monday.com keeps most of the higher-level settings and cleanup tools for your account. After you open the administration area, you'll see a menu or a list of tabs, depending on your plan and layout. Look for the tab called Tidy Up. This section is designed to help you manage older content, clean up your workspace, and keep everything organized. Click on Tidy Up, and inside that section, you'll see another tab labeled Archived Boards. Go ahead and click on Archived Boards. This is the place where all boards that have been archived from your account are stored. Once you're in the Archived Boards section, you'll see a list of boards that have been archived over time. This list might be long if your team has been using Monday.com for a while, so take a moment to scan through it. Some setups may allow you to search by board name, which can save time if you remember exactly what the board was called. When you find the board you want to bring back, look to the right side of that board's row. You should see a Restore option next to it. Click Restore. Monday.com will then move that board out of the archived area and back into your active boards, usually in the same workspace or folder it was in before it was archived. After restoring, head back to your main workspace view and confirm that the board is visible and accessible to the right people. That's all there is to it.